from parts to finished shavers in 60 seconds. Why do some factories produce thousands of shavers every day while maintaining the same quality? Quality control, global standards. Welcome to the fully automated shaver production line where precision and efficiency work together. Fully automated. From components to finished products, every step is connected. The production process begins with automatic component feeding, reducing manual labor and improving stability. High-speed assembly stations accurately install every internal component. Mass production. Precision starts with every detail. Advanced equipment ensures consistent assembly, quality throughout the entire line. Smart production. Speed creates productivity. Automated inspection systems check dimensions, functions, and assembly quality. Precise assembly. Every product is tested before leaving the production line. Automated manufacturing reduces production costs and improves efficiency. Multiple models available. Baba McKean provides customized production solutions for shaver manufacturing. With 30 years of manufacturing experience, we serve customers worldwide. Contact Baba McKean today for more production solutions.